And I will give you an office tour. Thanks guys.
Tell me what it takes to get you feeling alive. Tell me how to show you it's a beautiful life. I'll do anything to pull you into the light, 'cause everything will change when you open your eyes. Yeah. So don't you let the sunlight come out without you. Don't you realize how lucky we are? Open up your heart, baby, let it all go tonight. Live your life like you was running out with a light. We gotta scream it out.
Hi guys! Landed. Guess what? Andito tayo sa Abu Dhabi and look kung ano yung nasa likod ko. It's another office na nandito sa ground floor ng main city ng Abu Dhabi. And this is our JC headquarters in Abu Dhabi. I want all of you to be proud. Let's go global. From Switzerland to Abu Dhabi. Welcome to the good life, and I choose JC.